Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, in this day, in this beautiful day, I will try to make a tutorial about digital manipulating image. So, what is digital manipulating image? Digital manipulating image is like the image that you put some editing, then there will be manipulate your eyes. That no, there's only one image, but the real one there's many image in there. Then yeah. So what you want to use for manipulating image? So we're gonna use Photopea. What is Photopea? Photopea is like the website that like Photoshop, but this is the free. And then when you are free, it's yeah, you can use it for editing photo like Photoshop. So now let's go to the steps. First, wait, I will like to repeat again. Yeah, so first we can search Photopea. Okay, now internet. Wait, it's connection trouble. Connect to internet. Okay, already. Yeah, you can try to reload. Just new check. Yep. Yeah, we repeat again. First we can search Photopea. Still again. Yes. Yep. I guess. Okay, while waiting, I will explain what we're gonna make. First, you can search the background about the land for the a plane that we're gonna uh take for. No, we're gonna come to the place. Very long. Maybe I will just open the photo feed directly. Yep. So this is the website. Yeah, you search this the logo group. Yeah. Then you can search first. And not search. Right? I'm gonna full screen first, and then take the image from here that I said you must take one background. It's about the water plane go down while waiting. So this in here, I'm gonna do about the brightness first and contrast. That comes to be oh yeah, I know that not really make any sense, but yeah, for me this like needed to do it. And then second is you can put the airplane that still fly now, then make it to be bigger with this enough. Then you can blending image about before and emboss. You're gonna see it from back side. So it's gonna 90 degrees. And then about the size. Now, yeah, there's not depends depend on the image. Okay, done. For uh the before and emboss. For this, for the first image, we can put here. Check on the way almost go down. Then second is can put the second image above the and the plane to see, but it's different place. You can put here be front. Wait, my bad. Then this, yeah, actually this about this plane, this little plane. You don't need to do many things. Up, then yeah, blending option. You can Okay. Yep. Then second image, and you can put it. The man is the one who's sitting. You know, bro. Uh, this is like when I demo, bro, but I make it a bit too. But yeah, you can make it to be little and right here you can yeah, run the option again, Apple, and then you can edit it. Okay, so hands. Soft and done. Oh, that really can see it. It's very different, but it's okay. I'm still learning to. Then this is the second image, the one that's sitting here. You can move it to there. Then I think this one and then of this, you can do like about the little. It's about the ants. The ants. So big, so we make it to be some of you, if you see this image, will realize, wow, oh my god, there is ant. So this copy again, then you move it. Yeah, depending on you wanna put like that. But I will put like this. But these two, you can see, is very different. And I will get different. Ah, wrong. Wow. I will like do this, then ah. Okay, okay, I will maybe doing blockers. Uh, some image, some image. Ah, maybe we must doing like cannot do auto, so yeah, we're gonna use C for moving this pro. Interesting outlays that you will not realize it. Yes, yes. And wait, I wanna see. Oh, eight. I need 4 minutes. So yeah, after doing this, you know, you can edit this to be more like blacker than before. Wait, which is this burn tool. Wait, I will make it to be bigger first. Yep, I can burn this. Look at this. Yep, that's the useful for the distance. Then I will use square for burn distance. Look, yep. Oh no, 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 wait. I will look at the burn. Oh wait. I know how to wait. How to Undo redo. Oh yes. Reset. Reset. Yep. Then yep. I know that. Then bro, one. Yeah, yeah, we cannot do anything. Yeah, we can only do this. Yep, 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 yep. Yeah, I know this. We cannot see the difference. If I see there's the difference. Yeah, yeah. So we can do this too. For the what the plane, the back plane. It's, and I will do sponge. I don't. I think my friend didn't realize about sponge. This sponge. Okay, done. If you want to export, you can go to File, save to the PSD maybe. Yep. For if you want to load again with the same condition. Yes. Then if you want to export, you can export the other like the SVG. Wait, bro, again. Okay. Yep. Done. Done. Then save. Oh, that's kind of lagging. So maybe you know how to save it. How to save it to be SVG. So yep. Maybe that's all from the tutorial. Sorry if I have mistake. That's what I say. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.